Mom, how do you put these on? I will show you.
I want to see if I can get these. Somebody.
Okay, let's go to this. Let's go buy them up here.
This one is. Quick, let's call him.
I don't think I can.
Let's go find it.
Pregúntale cuánto sale.
Oh, here's a bathroom.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this right here.
The green one.
What up, YouTube? Met some old friends.
So guys,
here at Dragon Boat.
What's up?
Subscribe
Shout out
to
to
them.
Min Boy.
Subscribe to me at PewDiePie, dude.
He has like the hair, the bandana,
We go 20 and
and like the beard.
My phone's at 13%. Can I get it?
Be quiet. Just
You lost.
Where? It has to be 4.
Yeah, that yellow one. They're gonna get it.
Where? Oh my god, I'm blind.
I won.
Okay, never mind.
Hold on, I got Snapchat. Hold on. Not yet, bro.
Alright, 1, 2.
Wait, hold on. Slow down. All right.
When he's ready. I got you.
Ready?
Ready? I'm ready whenever you are.
You don't want me to be in your video? Okay, whatever.
All right. What is up, YouTube? We're about to head out from Dragon Boat Festival. We're probably gonna go hit up a movie. It came out a few weeks ago, Spider-Man: Homecoming, but today was pretty dead. Not as popular as last year. It's probably the weather, but we're gonna take another lift, go back to our friend's house, and I'll see everyone back there.
This will probably last me a couple months.
What's up, YouTube? Just got picked up from our Lyft driver, and I'm heading out to Kristen's house, but got a few pickups from the Dragon Boat Festival. I got this little rabbit air freshener and a little Dragon Ball Z keychain. But yeah, we're on our way and we'll see everyone back there. What is up? Just arrived at Southwest Plaza Mall. Just got done with Dragon Boat. Here to just look around, get some Chipotle, and hopefully find a few t-shirts, some clothes for this upcoming school year. But we just got here and it's looking pretty empty. The weather's still out, but I'll see everyone inside. Alright, just got the Chipotle. I got the chicken. If you ever want a life hack on Chipotle and you're really hungry, everything is free double scoop except for guacamole and the meat, or like protein, I guess. But yeah, I got double scoop corn, pico de gallo. I got both rices, so should be pretty full after this. Alright, so we just got out, finished Chipotle. Now we're gonna head out and explore the rest of the mall. Oh. Oh, alright, cool. Alright, sorry. Thanks for letting me know. What up, YouTube? Just got done hitting up a few stores. Day in a life. My girlfriend just headed to the bathroom, so we picked up some shoe protectant from Foot Locker. We got force fields and the crep protectant. And the other, I got some Tupac Machiavelli gear from Shoe Palace. It's been a pretty chill day. I think next up, I might try to look for some pretty sick earrings. Then H&M for some t-shirts for the school year, and we still getting it. Alright, just got back from the mall. Now next stop is Walmart. We're gonna buy an Ethernet telephone adapter, and we'll see if they have it. If not, I'm gonna try to return my old one because I bought a telephone to telephone adapter, which is pointless. I don't know why they sell those. But I'll see everyone on the other side. What is up? Just got to Walmart. We're about to go in and see if we could exchange it because I lost the receipt and I opened it. So we're gonna try for our best, and then we're gonna find the adapter, and hopefully I go home and I have some internet. Alright, so we're gonna head out from Walmart. Unfortunately they didn't have it, but our next options are Best Buy, then maybe Target. But hopefully we have it, or else I'm gonna have to order it online and try to find something legit. But unfortunately we have a very complicated house, so I'll get back to you in a few. We out. What is up, YouTube? Just made it up to Best Buy. Currently heading inside and seeing if things do go my part. Yeah, I really hope that it's in there because I'm tired of driving. I'm tired of wasting my data, because data is crucial when you're on the road. But let's head inside and I'll let you know if Best Buy will come through. Alright, YouTube, just got back home, finishing up dinner, leftover Chipotle, but we're gonna look through some of my stuff that we got today, and hopefully today was successful at the mall. I went to Best Buy and they literally told me to go to the Xfinity store, and I have no idea why I didn't think of that. So legit, I wasted like about 3 days with no internet, and they said I have to activate it by tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. First up, from Shoe Palace here in Denver, Colorado. My amazing girlfriend got me a Machiavelli Tupac dad hat and Machiavelli Tupac shirt with all, look at this, the God. But this is the shirt in the front. It just says Machiavelli. In the back, it has all his albums listed out. yeah. Next up from our lovely Foot Locker, we got Crep Cleaner, Crep Protectant, and Force Fields for my shoes. Hopefully these come into some play. I'm looking to let everyone know how they work, but hopefully this, I've heard very great things about it. So hopefully it does me good. Next up, some Spencer's. They had a huge sale. Not a sale, but like a deal. It was buy two, get two free. So I copped some new earrings. These are new. Never had them before. Let me refocus this. Yeah, I got these diamond studs with gold, regular diamond studs, black diamond studs, and hoops. Ooh. Ooh. I guess they do look pretty baller, but last up, we just have 3 basic t-shirts. I got a brown yellow one, pink one, and just the old plain white one. Well, thank you guys for tuning in. Today was an amazing day. Dropped off my car, Dragon Boat, the mall, called Xfinity, but today was awesome, and thank you for tuning in. We out.